We have pendant lights in our family room, and while the glass shades are nice, they're a little outdated. While I was at Hobby Lobby the one day, I saw that all the metal was 50% off, and I found a substitute for the glass lampshades. The metal baskets that I purchased had a handle, and I didn't want that, so I cut it off using a wire snips and a wire cutter. It was really easy to remove that handle. I wanted to use the metal baskets upside down, so I measured to find the center. Most pendant lights have a plastic ring that holds the lampshade onto the light, and I wanted to use that ring, so I removed the shade. Using that plastic ring as a guide, I marked where the hole should be cut. I used a screwdriver and a hammer to punch a hole in the middle. And then I used my wire snips, inserted them into the punched hole, and then cut away the metal. Once the hole was large enough, I slipped the metal basket onto the pendant socket, screwed the plastic ring back onto the socket, and replaced the light bulb. I'm a sucker for metal, so I really love the way they look. A little farmhouse and a little industrial. And the best thing, it only took about an hour to change out all 3 lights. I hope this inspires you to look at your lighting in a different way. And don't forget to check back for my next video. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. To never miss a Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.